Hello guys, in this video we will discuss direct method. So direct method is also another way cloud can communicate with the device. So in this video we will discuss what direct method is, and then we will discuss differences between C2D, device to desired properties, and direct method. So guys, we already know that C2D and device to desired property is also a way cloud can communicate with the device. So we will discuss the differences among these three, and then in our upcoming videos we will see direct method in action. Okay, so Azure IoT Hub, it can execute direct method on the device, and direct method is request response concept. So guys, this is important thing, that IoT Hub calls the direct method and it expects the response immediately from the device, and it is used for communication that require immediate confirmation of the result. For example, IoT Hub wants to turn on the fan remotely. So in that case, device, that is fan, it will immediately return the response whether that action was successful or failed. And for calling direct method, device has to be online. That means it should be in connected status. And guys, the last thing, needless to say, direct method which we call, it should be supported by that device. So for example, if we call turn on fan direct method, such functionality should be supported by that device. So of course we cannot call lock the car door direct method on smart fan, right? Because that functionality is definitely not supported. And now guys, we have three ways cloud can communicate with the device, that is C2D, then by making change in device to desired properties, and then finally we have direct method. And now let's discuss the differences among these and when we should use which one. So first, C2D, and we should use it to send notifications, that is to send normal or usual messages to the device. Then device to desired properties, we should use it for long running commands to set device in a certain desired state. So for example, IoT Hub wants device to send telemetry every 30 minutes. So of course, to make this change at device, it may take some time and device may not be immediately able to return the response. But then once device had made the required change at its side, it will report it back through reported properties, and we have already discussed this. And then we have direct method. So we should use it generally to perform some action which needs immediate response. So for example, turn on fan. Then in C2D, data flows one way only. In device to desired properties, data flows one way only. Of course, device returns the result back, but then it returns through reported properties. But in direct method, data flows two ways. So again, as we discussed, it is request response model. Then in C2D, device does not need to be online. Again, in desired properties, device does not need to be online, but in direct method, device has to be online. Otherwise we cannot call direct method on a device. Then in C2D, we can target multiple devices at a go. In device to desired properties as well, we can target multiple devices at a go. And for this, we can use something called jobs, which we will see in our upcoming videos. But we can call direct method on a single device only. And then finally, C2D, it is available on all the protocols. So guys, we have not discussed protocols yet, but we will discuss in upcoming videos. Then device to desired properties, it's available only on MQTT and AMQP. And in direct method, again it's available on MQTT or AMQP only. So that's it guys, and we will see direct method in action in our next video.